Assalamualaikum. Class 5th, subject environmental studies. टॉपिक है द अर्थ और सब टॉपिक है earthquake. Earthquakes occur when large masses of rock slip past each other suddenly. Great trembling and vibrations are often felt. These shocks can be so strong that they destroy buildings and do great damage. However, some earthquakes are so mild that they are not noticed. In 1923, Japan suffered an earthquake in which 150,000 lives were lost and some 570,000 buildings collapsed. In 1988, Armenia suffered an earthquake in which 25,000 people died and several towns and villages were buried. In 2001, India suffered an earthquake in which over 90% of the buildings of Bhuj city of Gujarat state were damaged. In 2005, our state, Jammu and Kashmir, suffered major earthquake and huge damage was done. The shocks of earthquakes may be recorded on an instrument called a seismograph. The instrument is so sensitive that it can detect vibrations too mild to be felt by man. By studying the strength of vibrations, scientists are able to locate the areas in which earthquakes occur. आज का सबक खत्म हुआ, इससे आगे आइंदा पढ़ेंगे.